Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be updating your Mac. So let's get started. On top left hand side you will see an Apple logo. So top left hand side, Apple logo, click right there. And then your very second option will be System Preferences. Now with older Mac OS, all our updates would have been in the App Store. However, if you guys are almost up to date, then it's under System Preferences. So let's just go under System Preferences. And once this pulls up, you guys will see on the left hand side, your third option here, left hand side downwards, will say software updates. So let's click on software update. Then we should see something loading until we see this. So let's click on more info. And right now we can see that it's only 1.2 gigs. So for most of you, that's pretty small. And that means that this update will be pretty fast. So it does depend on your internet speed. As always with any updates, including this supplemental update, it does require a restart. So before we go ahead and update this, make sure to make a backup yourselves using Time Machine on your Mac. I do have a separate video showing you guys how to use Time Machine, but make sure to do that. It's something that's already installed on your Mac, by the way. So I'm just going to close this for now, although I could update it from here. I just want to show you that you can update it right away just by pressing on the top right hand side. There will be an update now. And once I press update now, it will ask me to restart. After we click on restart, we're going to see an Apple logo, a loading bar. And that will take about 20 to 30 minutes for most of you. Then it's just gonna bring up to this screen. So back here, and if you guys have any more updates, you guys can just run those because you will be in the section where software updates are at already. So we're just gonna click on update, which is for that Epson printer. However, if you guys don't have an Epson printer, then most likely you will not see any other updates right here. And that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.